Are you getting annoyed by the BitLocker Drive Encryption Service DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for BitLocker Drive Encryption Service, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the BitLocker Drive Encryption Service. This DLL is the service library for BitLocker Drive Encryption. It manages the hardware handshake for TPM-backed full disk encryption. A failure in this module prevents Windows from managing encrypted volumes or changing recovery keys, often leading to BitLocker startup prompts on every reboot. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Bdesvc is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with BitLocker Drive Encryption Service. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. If you're attempting to install BitLocker Drive Encryption Service DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references BitLocker Drive Encryption Service Management. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got BitLocker Drive Encryption Service working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.